Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds of our time, was born on January 8, 1942, exactly 300 years after the death of Galileo Galilei. This coincidence seemed to set the stage for a life filled with momentous achievements and profound contributions to science. From a young age, Stephen was curious and intelligent, often taking apart clocks and radios just to see how they worked. His family noticed his keen intellect, and he was soon nicknamed Einstein by his peers at St. Albans School. Despite his obvious brilliance, Stephen was not particularly industrious as a student, tending to rely on his natural intelligence rather than hard work. This laid-back approach continued when he attended University College, Oxford, where he hoped to study mathematics, but switched to physics due to the lack of a mathematics degree program. Although he continued to be somewhat lackadaisical about his studies, he still managed to graduate with honors. It was at Cambridge University, while pursuing his PhD in cosmology, that the direction of Stephen's life took a dramatic turn. At the age of 21, he was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, a devastating condition that gradually paralyzes the body while leaving the mind fully intact. Doctors gave him only 2 years to live. Faced with this grim prognosis, Stephen fell into a deep depression, questioning whether life was still worth living. However, an unexpected romance with Jane Wilde, a fellow student, brought a new sense of purpose to his life. Their love story provided Stephen with the emotional strength to confront his illness head-on and pursue his academic ambitions with newfound vigor. Hawking and Jane married in 1965, and Stephen's determination to defy the odds saw him embark on groundbreaking research in theoretical physics. One of his most revolutionary contributions was his work on black holes. In 1974, he proposed that black holes are not entirely black, but emit radiation, what would later be known as Hawking radiation. This groundbreaking theory challenged existing assumptions and cemented his status as a leading thinker in the field. His work transformed our understanding of the universe and opened new avenues for scientific exploration. Stephen's determination to communicate complex scientific concepts to the masses led him to write the bestseller A Brief History of Time, published in 1988. The book demystified the cosmos for millions of readers, becoming an instant phenomenon and remaining on the British Sunday Times bestseller list for a record-breaking 237 weeks. Despite the worsening of his condition, which eventually left him almost completely paralyzed, Stephen maintained an extraordinary zest for life. His trademark sense of humor and unyielding optimism were evident even as he adapted to using a computerized voice synthesizer to communicate. His public appearances and lectures continued to captivate audiences, showcasing his incredible intellect and indomitable spirit. In 2007, Stephen achieved another milestone by experiencing zero gravity during a flight aboard a modified Boeing 727, symbolizing his refusal to let ALS define his limits. Stephen Hawking's legacy extends far beyond his scientific contributions. He became a symbol of human resilience, proving that the power of the mind can transcend even the most debilitating physical challenges. His life story continues to inspire countless people around the world, reminding us that persistence, curiosity, and a sense of wonder can lead to extraordinary achievements.